Welcome back to the show. We're right here at the UEU Tech Championships at the Mona Bowl. Shifter and Chanel had a launch for their new video, Do You Wanna, at the Triple Century Sports Bar in New Kingston. Let's look at the highlights.
If you like, we can go all night. Breakfast in the morning if you want to. Cause if you don't, baby, you are my queen. Yeah, girl, I'm me and your king. You are your man, just find a one thing. The great show you what you do.
Do you wanna, 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 make sweet love? Do you wanna, 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 make sweet love, baby?
Anything you do with your body, girl, make me want you every day. Baby, you turn me on. In your sexy lingerie, timing, you know I hear thing. Bubbling, you're born with the rhythm. Expert in a love making. Put up on the girl, is taking. Wine girl, the way you wine girl. Number one in a bad man world. Wine girl, the way you wine girl. Bring it to me, give it to me, my girl. Girl, if you like, we can go all night. Breakfast in the morning if you want to. Cause it feels right. Baby, you are my queen.
The director was great. Big up to Gil Green and Jordan for putting this together. And you know, Shifter's like my big bro, you know what I mean? Well, little bro. And you know, we just worked so well together. It was a lot of fun.
It was actually his protege, Jordan, that directed the video. That I spoke to Gil about originally, but he was tied up doing some other stuff with Khaled and Drake and all of them. But he's like, you know, he really liked the song. He thought the song had a great potential, and he wanted to help out in some kind of way. So he put us onto his team. So he came by the set for a little bit, and I mean, you know, those guys down to the fog, down to even little things, you know what I mean? Because I told him I don't want just a typical everyday video for this. I wanted to make it something that people could really see, you know, the time and the effort and everything that went into it to make it a movie.
I just love this kind of music. This was an opportunity. It wasn't necessarily that I went out to look for, you know, it kind of came into my presence. So when an opportunity this great comes about, I'm not going to say no, you know, especially, you know, Shifter's a great person, he's great to vibe with, you know, and that's what I'm all about, you know, that kind of energy. So when I liked the song, that was like a bonus on top of that.
And my goal for this song, or even the EP, was just to bring a good, positive vibe to dancehall reggae music.
Do you wanna, 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 make sweet love? Do you wanna, 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 make sweet love, baby?
As usual, Sizzla shell down every performance so I'm doing. It was no different at Usain Bolt's Jackson Records. Check out the highlights.
I know it is a must. Hey, promise to make it home. Never do them and I should have teach. Right over road, so then promise to see. I know some is to the never be. I know it's a balance. You brought love for the people, and it's good over evil. Yeah, I love all my life is separation. Now my life is devastation. So that they fight you on the entire city when they are for cool. Blackness is so much. Black woman cage and it's the open. The fire never makes something like that. It's going to break the neck of the people.
What a performance from Sizzla. But now we're going to our third and final break for the show. We'll be right back.
Baby girl, I'm here, you're king. Yeah.
Hey.
You are your man, just wind up on him. Yeah.
Hey.
No afraid fish, what the wedding ring. Pre this, what you say?
Do you wanna, do you wanna,
Yeah.
do you wanna, do you wanna,
You know.
do you wanna? wanna make sweet love, baby?